Katie LaGrone. There are new concerns about the health and behavior of Florida teens. That's because the state has yet to release results from its newly created Teen Health Survey. That survey, you may recall, replaced a long-standing federal questionnaire some Florida leaders called too sexualized. Now some youth advocates are questioning why the state has yet to make student responses public. What happened to Florida's newly created Teen Health Survey? That's the question we've been asking for months. This summer, Florida's Department of Education was scheduled to release results from its new voluntary teen survey after it was distributed in the spring to students at select high schools. But those results never came. 4 months later, still nothing. Why are the results of the newly created Florida survey still so important?
To see exactly what our Florida youth are experiencing.
Dr. Lawrence Friedman specializes in adolescent medicine at the University of Miami. For years, he relied on the CDC's voluntary teen survey to spot trends, compare Florida teen behavior to youth across the country, and determine money and resources his department needs to treat young patients at a higher risk of engaging in risky behavior. But last year, Florida announced it would stop using the federal study. Education Commissioner Manny Diaz called it inflammatory and sexualized. So Florida created its own. We obtained a copy this summer, revealing the questions, which were focused more on resiliency standards, including empathy, perseverance, and citizenship, than risky teen behavior like sex, drugs, and violence.
I have been wanting to see the results of this survey and what it looks like and what we can glean from it, because I was concerned there was a lot of information lost.
Caitlin Cliven works with Disability Rights Florida and was part of the state's work group that helped create the state's new survey. She raised a number of concerns the survey focused too much on resiliency and character traits than actual teen behavior. She, too, hasn't heard a thing about how students responded.
It's radio silent, so it's really hard to know for sure. But, maybe the results on the resiliency standards are not as desirable as they would have liked.
A spokesperson from Florida's education department sent us this email back in September, stating they were working with the University of South Florida to compile and review survey results. Despite multiple requests, they haven't responded to us since, leaving youth advocates wondering what Florida's new teen survey actually shows and why the state has yet to make it public.
I would love to be proved wrong and see that it's a great survey providing us very good information, very valuable information. But right now it's providing us no information.
Katie LaGrone, Fox 4.